Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they bring us some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Stuff from the Cuffs, where we give you fire, stuff that's fun,
inspirational,
keeping it real,
and of course we give you some educational material.
Yes guys, and today we
yeah.
have me, the beauty, with two beasts.
Oh my god. I did the sound effects by myself.
Guys, today we're going to be doing somewhat of a singing challenge. We're going to be doing a mashup of sorts, yeah. To a we are going to blend our voices and our melodies and our harmonies to compete against her. Who is that? That is Anthonia Atkinson, our friend, our student, and she can sing.
Yeah,
she can really sing. Right?
She can really.
She entered
like
the digital.
The two of us together,
we don't make half of her. Yeah, see, we never have a plan for say that. I always say the same thing.
If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild.
She entered Digital Rising Stars in 2017. That was like 3 years ago, and she came fourth, right? So you know, say I don't know, pian singer. And most importantly, for me, it stood out because I thought she was in her 50s. No. I'm joking, guys. I'm joking. She looked older than she was 16 years old at that time. You guys, if you hear Bella, she's auditioning for Rising Stars right now, so don't mind her.
And also, we are actually taping during the day, so you will hear the kids every now and then. Y'all understand, you're part of the Cufflinks family, so you don't know there are two kids in the mix.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Bria is stage manager, so she's quiet. She's managing things, but Bella is doing her own thing, alright? So, of course, go follow Anthonia Atkinson on YouTube, guys.
And her link will be in our description below.
Yeah, she so added not me, so
so you can just click on it and it will take you straight to her YouTube page.
Yeah.
And of course, we'll also put her Instagram, her Snapchat.
Handle,
She's all over social media. So we'll put all her handles below so that you can go and follow her. She's a part of our video today, and you know, it's what you call it?
It's a song mashup.
Song mashup.
I'll explain shortly. But yeah, Anthonia is doing her thing on YouTube as well. She's doing a lot of comedy related stuff, but she's also doing some singing, and she has plans to branch out into other areas. So stay tuned, watch her. Trust me, she's one for the future. Yeah. How you feel?
Yeah.
Welcome to Stuff from the Cuffs. How you feel?
I'm elated to be here, actually.
Yeah. You're gonna make us win, right?
Hopefully. I think you guys will win.
Listen, me guys sure see me now win. So
Mr. Cuff is very competitive, so I don't know. He'll make up something just to win.
Guys, that's not true.
Here
are the rules. Here are the rules. Ding, 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 ding. Here are the rules entering this competition today. So, Team A, for A, because we just must come first, and Team B over this side. So what's going to happen is...
Anthonia and Basile and Brian, so that should be A and B.
No, you know, so you have to flip the switch.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, so she's A and we are B, but literally we are going to be A and she's going to be B.
All right, no problem.
So each of us, we're going to be drawing from the two containers that are provided by What a Difference Photography in the building again, guys. Rensken here, bringing her ideas and also her creativity to today's shoot. And we're going to, of course, put her in the description as well. So what we're going to be doing is taking a song, a gospel song from one of the containers, and we're going to be taking a nursery rhyme from one of the containers. and we're gonna be mashing them up. Bam. So, for example, we draw Mercy Said No, and then we start ABC song. So we're gonna have to sing Mercy Said No. No, we're gonna have to sing ABC song
to the
tune of Mercy Said
So
No.
what Brian is trying to say is
I
that
just
we
said
have
it like
two balls.
what? I can't give directions.
Okay, so we have
Huh?
it's not directions, instructions. See. So we have to sing the nursery rhyme to the tune of the gospel song that we pick. So in essence, that's it. So team A is going to begin.
No,
And
man, let
babe,
the visitor go first. Let B go first.
No.
so hold on, we're doing it as a couple.
No, well,
No,
I mean,
three- no,
three different
no,
individuals,
yes,
but
yes.
the points
Okay.
will count as a
Okay,
couple.
okay. So our point, right?
Yes.
Right, and Renskin will be keeping the points because I can't do it with Brian. I can't
No,
have him
because
sing
when I
with
start
me.
singing, all of my melody is not gonna match with her harmony, right? So yeah.
Listen,
Guys,
Wait,
before
wait,
we
wait,
start,
wait,
here's
who's
my
the better
disclaimer.
singer?
Yeah, here's my disclaimer. I sing well in the shower.
Don't everybody?
Guys, I also sang at my wedding, and it's my only regret. Well, not really regret. I learned from it, like not to ever do that again. So you're gonna be hearing me. I've been practicing, and Sonia has been, guiding me as my.
as your wife.
I wish. I hope at the
As
end
your
of this,
producer?
I hope she will take me under her wings and give me some voice lessons, guys.
And
Don't
also,
mind the voice. In true church style, don't mind the voice, but listen to the
Listen to
words
the
that are coming to
words.
bless your soul.
And also, guys, I just think we need to know our lanes, and I'll say that and leave it. All right, ready? So,
Guys, my truck big. I'm driving at any lane.
Team B,
So she
go ahead,
already
Anthonia.
started?
Yeah.
So
this
that's
is the
the
nursery
nursery
rhyme,
rhyme, and this is the
gospel.
song.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you don't know the gospel song, I'm sorry for you.
But come on, I get the lyrics or something.
No.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. That's her nursery rhyme.
And
She's
the
gonna have to
gospel
sing it
song
to the
is
tune. How great thou art. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen.
To the tune of.
Guys,
Oh,
can I
great
just see
thou
what's
art.
on the paper? I
No.
don't know all of it.
We just chat the words.
Go right
first.
ahead.
One, two, buckle my shoe. 1, 2, buckle my shoe.
That no fast.
I don't know the rest of the word.
Me no feel it.
1, 2, buckle my shoe.
It's not teamwork.
Me no feel it,
sorry.
guys. That don't
1,
sound.
2, buckle my shoe.
It's 1, 2, buck my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door.
3, 4, shut the door.
5, 6,
5, 6,
pick up sticks.
pick up sticks.
Hallelujah. I don't know about you guys, but feel free to judge that one. I don't think she did it. I don't think that sounded nothing
She
like
don't
how
even
great
know.
thou art.
She don't even know that. We probably need to get the lyrics.
So I'm not help her.
So get your phone so you can
No,
pull
we
up
have,
the
to,
rhythm.
we have to have the edge. Yeah. And that's why we have to do this way.
All right, go. Your turn.
Your turn.
Can't give her no edge.
It's hard.
She can't sing. People
Yeah,
them,
but the thing
people
is
them
that-
not hear nothing else but her voice because she sounds so good.
Hickory dickory dock.
Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 12. The mouse ran down.
Struck
Hickory.
1.
Amazing Grace. Oh, Amazing Grace, go again.
That is it. You should get the lyrics.
Amazing Grace. Alright. Amazing Grace. Alright. Hickory dickory dock.
Come to vibrato.
Woo!
You just.
Hickory dickory dock. No, that me I sing all great now right now. Yes, in my head. Amazing Grace.
Grace.
We should actually probably like
I said have the lyrics
it's
in
not the
front
lyrics,
of
it's
you.
the
No,
tune.
no,
For
it's
me.
the lyrics.
for me it's a tune.
I will pull up. Go ahead. I'll pull up the lyrics on myself. Go ahead, Mr. Koff. Why are you helping him,
Alright.
Anthonia?
Here we go. This is just so hard. I don't see me passing round one.
I'm
guys.
gonna give you the lyrics. I know you don't know it.
Because it's hard.
It's hard, guys. It's hard to remember the lyrics when you're not singing it
On the right track.
on the right
like,
track.
It's difficult.
Guys, I'm
Come,
an
let's
expert.
go.
I'm an expert. Put it here for me, please. Put it in front of me so I can see while I look to the camera.
All right,
And
go
be
ahead,
blessed
please.
by the
And
words
stop by
that are
your
coming
hand.
from my mouth. Hickory, dickory, dog. I give up.
That's not even that.
Get
That's
out.
Okay, no,
yeah.
it's in my head, guys. I can't get
What?
amazing here.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse
This is me, guys. This is
went
me.
up
This
the
is
clock. The clock.
Come, you sing it now, Anthonia. You sing it.
Okay. Hickory dickory.
A little louder, darling.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse went up the clock. The clock struck one. The mouse went down. Hickory dickory
Guys, I've
dock.
never.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, yeah. Tick tock.
Guys, I've never heard
Why are you crying?
Hickory Duck bless my soul that much.
Why are you crying?
I felt the move.
So you go sing it now?
Oh, that was me. That was representative of me, guys. That was B.
That's
Scissor.
2 points for Team B.
Team B Scissor, yeah.
No,
Yeah, Team B. B Sizzle in the building. Yeah. Guys, what did I get myself here? Baba Black
Baba Black Sheep to the tune of This Light of Mine. Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Oh, yes, sir, yes, sir. 3 bags full, 1 for the master, and 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. Bap, bap. T-A-B. Oh! Sorry, babe.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Next, go again, Team B.
Guys, I am not a singer, you hear?
No, you did want singing competition.
I
Go
am-
right ahead, Anthony.
Alright.
I am going to win the next one. No, watch. Lord, give me the tool that will help me to bring my melody and harmony.
Humpty Dumpty. Can I get the lyrics on Humpty Dumpty? God is good.
No, it's not your time, babe.
No,
You
I'm
have a lot of
I'm just
vibrance,
thinking.
though.
Why I couldn't get that
Yeah,
song?
he does.
You know, hear me say you need to coach me. You hear that? I have a lot of something. My boss.
Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses on the all the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again.
That's it.
Humpty Dumpty sat
Okay.
on a wall.
On the wall. Alright,
Guys,
babe,
the
your
more
turn.
this happens, the more I feel like I should just come out of the shot. I didn't think Anthonia good, but not, you know, like this is almost like the Lord wants to come down at this point.
Let me see.
Jesus take the wheel,
Jack and Jill.
Jack and Jill. I don't even remember Jesus take the wheel.
Jesus take the wheel.
Take it from my head.
Is he going there with a vibrant again?
I don't know nothing else from
That's
that.
all that's there.
Cause I can do this on my own.
Alright, only for me when we sing Jack and Jill.
No, that's not how the game goes. Go ahead.
Me and the on side, our points are gonna come together for
No.
beat her. Gone again?
Jack and Jill.
Oh, no one do that. No bother with me.
Your vibrant and nice.
Jack and Jill
Yeah.
went up the hill to fetch a pail of water.
No, that's not how it goes.
I don't let it go.
Get
Guys,
on
we
that.
give up.
No, try one more time.
Come
Alright,
on.
let me see.
Let me help you, babe. Come.
Jesus, take
Come.
the wheel. Take
Alright.
it from my head. Cause I can do this on my own.
Alright, come. Come ready. 1, 2, 3. Jack and Jill went up the hill to catch a pail of water.
Yeah.
Oh, Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after.
Mo win! Me never need to do nothing else. Bria, what you mean no, me no. I'm worshipping.
No,
with the
he's
nursery
not
rhyme.
crying.
I'm not crying.
Alright, so I got Old King Cole and Excess Love.
Nice one.
Well then, Bria. 3.
Oh, King Cole was a merry soul, merry soul was he. He called for his pipe and he called for his bowl and he called for his fiddlers three.
Well then, babe. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, right now on the 1s and 3s is the beautiful bee. Pull it up and come again.
No.
Every fiddler he had fiddle and a very fine fiddle.
Right now, you don't know.
Zuckum.
Right now, you don't know. Team B, Team A is leading Team B. Any side I win with the pun.
By word. Georgie Porgy.
Georgie Porgy, pudding and pie.
Georgie Porgy. Pudding and pie kissed the girls and made them cry. When the boys came out to play, Georgie Porgy ran away. That's it.
You done?
Yeah,
Just at that church. Just start ready for...
Thank you, Bria. Thanks for the backup.
Woo!
Alright, go baby, your turn.
No, me done. But we not ready. You know
Come
what I'm
on.
Bria.
What you want?
Alright,
What do
go
you
and
want?
watch your tablet
Go watch
with
your
Bella.
tablet and come.
Or go watch your tablet.
What you want to do?
Which one is that?
Rock. Alright, Bria. That is soon finished. Rockabye baby to He's able.
Oh, that one.
Oh, He's able. God is able to do. Guys, it's so much harder than it looks.
Are you choosing
It's in my head. It's in my head, but yeah, if Anthonia said that, it's hard. Call it a day, right?
No. Alright, so
2 hours later.
alright, so I should even be helping you.
You're not helping me. This is for the channel.
So God is able to do rockabye baby on the treetop. And the wind. You can't sing with it.
You have to sing louder for the.
So make me feel it,
Okay.
yeah.
Rockabye baby on the treetop.
Go now. Your turn, babe.
When the wind blows,
Start from the top.
cradle will rock. Your turn again. Thank you, Bria. Guys, I gave you one line. I'm a winner. Got this.
Alright, so my next song is Twinkle Twinkle Little Star to the Wall by Christopher Gale and Duino. Alright, ready? Backups? Da star, yeah, da star, yeah. Oh, na na na. Da star, yeah, da star, yeah. You're a beautiful bee, da star, yeah, da star, yeah. Du-du-dum. The star universe at this you fi know. That twinkle twinkle little star, How I wonder what you are. Up above the world, so high like a diamond, the diamond in the sky. Can't remember.
Twinkle, twinkle, twinkle.
Y'all don't even know the song. You don't know the song. But you never.
Renee, I'm telling you, Brian gone too, and I don't know much.
Alright, so here's how we're gonna wrap it up.
Alright.
Because Anthonia is gonna actually sing a song for us, right? I don't know. She's gonna sing one out of this.
Thank you.
Which one of these songs do you know?
The scores are in. Team us
4.
and Team her 3.
3.
So we win. We win. We win. Confetti. Fetti. Confetti. Excitement creation.
I can get the last song, please.
We win.
No, we
We
didn't.
win. We win. Competition done.
Guys, stop
we win.
it.
What?
We
Nothing else no
win.
left. Look, empty. We win. We win. We win. All right. First of
So,
all, we
yeah.
want to thank our fans. If it wasn't for you,
Cufflinks, big up yourself, big up on yourself. Careful, Bria.
yeah,
Thank you. Antonia, that's just how it is.
yeah.
That's just how it is.
No
Thank you,
hard
Mama
feelings,
Sis.
no hard feelings.
I mean, this is a harder competition than Rising Stars.
I think so.
It's really hard to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, most definitely.
You just need practicing for it.
It's okay. You just need practicing.
Bria, tell her that
You
it's
heard it
okay.
from
You just
Bria.
need practicing.
There
You
you
just
go.
need practicing.
There you go.
So,
This is
guys,
my time to
And
leave.
let me tell you.
And then you can get the hang of it.
Then you
Woo! Okay,
Thank you,
so
Bria.
guys, let me tell you, this
Alright,
was
man, pack up, baby.
this was harder than we thought, but we hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. Remember again to follow Anthonia Atkinson. Her details will be in our description below. And of course, we, as always, will have another video for you soon. So thanks for watching another episode of Stuff from the Cuffs. Before you leave, if you have not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Turn on your notification. Hold on, Bria. Turn on. Yeah.
Hold on.
Tell them if you want to see more, you have to click here.
All right. Turn on your notifications. And of course, make sure that you tell a friend about Stuff from the Cuffs. Thank you so much for being a part of the Cufflinks family. We'll have another video for you soon.
A contestant who hails from the cool hills of Mandeville. Ladies and gentlemen, Anthonia.
God is able to do just what He said He will do. He's gonna fulfill every promise to you. Don't give up on God, 'cause He won't give up on you. He's able. Oh, He's able.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile.